Hey bass heads, what's up? Alright, so this is a little train horn update. I got my power inverter. It is to run the 110, well it's actually 115 volt air compressor motor for the train horn. And it works great. Got it all wired up. It runs off a 4-gauge wire. The horn is underneath the bed, or the horns. Had nowhere to mount as of right now. This is temporary. Got the compressor and tank behind my seat. Let's see. You'll be able to hear the click. I don't have no air in the tank yet. I haven't turned the compressor on yet, but you'll hear it. That clicking sound is the train horn solenoid clicking, and it's all wired up to my horn. So yeah, it's gonna be badass. Getting ready to go test fire it. Alright guys, there'll be more to come later. Alright guys, so we're about to test the horn. We're gonna go by grandma's house and hit the horn because our little nephew over there, cousin, is a big train fanatic. So we're gonna give him a little bit of this horn here. That was loud. Alright guys, there'll be more to come later.
Can you feel the bass? Team Implode Audio, for the love of bass.